How to remove small warts using one simple ingredient. Before we start, let me ask you a question. Do you know what are fibroids? Well, that's easy. Fibroids are the little growths on our skin. Medical experts around the world claim that these skin growths are actually benign tumors of the connective tissue. Fibroids actually look like small soft nodules, and they range from few millimeters to a centimeter. You should also know that fibroids usually have the same color like our skin, but that's not always the case. Sometimes fibroids can be brightly pigmented as well. The changes aren't malignant, but they can grow more and become more noticeable, and they will become more serious aesthetic problem. Fibroids usually appear during the mid-30s, and the most common areas for their appearance are your neck, your armpits, growing the area under your breast, stomach and eyelids. But these small little growths can also appear on other areas on body skin as well. Did you know that almost every person in the world has at least one fibroma on their skin? Well, yes, that's very interesting fact, right? Fibroids can cause some real problems because they appear on areas where the skin rubs, and they can get inflamed, bleed, grown and cause a lot of pain. The real and ugly truth is that nobody knows what's the actual cause for these skin growths, but the medical experts say that genetics and obesity might be some of them. But you shouldn't be worried because you can remove these skin growths without surgical procedures. And the good thing about this treatment is that you need just one all-natural ingredient: apple cider vinegar. We all know that apple cider vinegar is one of the most effective natural ingredients, which you can use it to treat many different health problems, including this one. Note: you should be extra careful and don't use apple cider vinegar to remove fibromas around your eyes or on the eyelids. Remove warts with apple cider vinegar recipe. This wart removal procedure is very simple. Just follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First, make sure you wash the area around the warts with water and soap. Then you need to get a cotton ball, soak it in clean water and apply it on the affected area for 15 minutes. Now you should soak another cotton ball into apple cider vinegar and squeeze the excess out. Now place the cotton ball directly on the skin fibroma and secure it with a band-aid. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Make sure you repeat this treatment 3 times every day for 1 week. You will be amazed by the results. You will notice that the fibroma will get darker color, then they will form a crust, and finally they will disappear. You should also know that depending on the size and how deep it is, the fibroma may leave a scar. So you should apply some calendula or aloe vera gel on the affected area and the scar will be gone. But if you don't see any scars, then you've did a good job. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.